Hello, it's me, Robin, with Simple Food, Simple Life. Today, I have a nice little bonus video for you. I'm going to do some prep out of these chicken breasts. Now, I'm just going to prepare the chicken so that I can use it throughout the week. So I thought maybe you would like to come along with me and see what I'm going to do with it. This was the package of boneless, skinless chicken breasts I got for 50% off at Aldi. So it's going to make a pretty economical way to have some meals this week. So stick with me and I will show you how I'm going to prepare this. Really easy. Anybody can do it. If I can do it, anybody can. Okay, I'm going to take these chicken breasts. You can see they're pretty good size. And I'm going to cut them. I'm going to cut them down the middle. And I'm going to pound them out to try to even out the thickness. And then we're going to season them and cook them up. All right, let me show you. I just put the palm of my hand on the chicken and I start at the thick end. And then I just cut it down the middle. Anytime you're cutting anything, just do it carefully. You'll be fine. And I just have this plain old serrated knife. It works fine. So, there's one half. Here's the other half. And now I'm going to pound these out. This is a wax paper liner. I don't even remember what it was from. When I get these in a box of something, I try to remember to, just clean them out and then fold them up and save them in a drawer for moments like this. So I've got my little mallet here. Now this one is thinner than this one, so I'm going to pound this one down. I won't subject you to that. Okay, I just pounded this one on the thickest part. I'm trying to get them just about the same thickness. So these are going to go in a bowl, this bowl here, and I'm going to pound out these other two. Okay, I have 4 nice pieces that are pounded out, and this can go in the garbage. Okay, the only seasoning I'm going to put on these is salt and pepper. I'm going to do this one side. And then that's salt, now I'm going to pepper them. The reason I'm not putting other seasoning is because this gives me the option of turning these portions of chicken into various things when I get ready to use them. In other words, I can use them for many other dishes and add whatever seasonings I want to because they are only seasoned with salt and pepper. All right, in this pan, this skillet, I'm going to just put some butter. I'm going to cook these in butter. All right. Now I'm going to put the chicken seasoned side down because I'm going to season the side that's turned up. That's not very difficult, is it? No, it isn't. These will shrink up a bit, so I don't have a problem with putting them all in there. So I'm just going to cook them until they are done. Let's put some salt on here, some pepper, and then when one side gets brown, I'll turn them over and brown the other side until they're completely finished. Okay, I'll flip them over. Look at that, that looks pretty nice. And I'm going to put the lid on. And then we'll be back when they're done. There's my chicken, all nicely done. Chicken prep for the week. Now, I will let it cool down a little bit, and then I'm going to put it in this plastic container and stick it in the fridge so that I can just, when I want to make a meal, I just pull it out and let my imagination go crazy. So, what can I do with this chicken? Okay, I can have chicken fried rice, I can have sweet and sour chicken, chicken and pasta, chicken with mashed potatoes and gravy because I've got some instant mashed potatoes. I can make chicken on salad greens. I can have buffalo chicken, barbecue chicken sandwich, grilled chicken sandwich, chicken soup, chicken wraps, chicken salad. So, that's a lot for this nice chicken that I got for just $3 and something for half price. Okay? All right. So, okay. Let me know in the comments, what would you do with this chicken? And do you have anything at home that you can make meal prep out of? Maybe it's hamburger, maybe it's some bacon. Doesn't even matter. What do you have that you can do a little bit of meal prep? Prep your protein and you'll be good to go. And just so you know, I've got all these nice bits in this pan, so I'm going to make up a little bit of gravy, and I'm going to keep that aside in my fridge to use with some of this chicken. I was serious about chicken, mashed potatoes, and gravy. All right, that's it for me today. I love you guys. You know I do. As always, you know that little is much when God is in it. Okay? All right. I hope this inspires you. Please like, subscribe, and share. And because you know what? It would help me, and if you share, it might help somebody else and give them an idea of how they can do a little bit of ingredient prep with their protein ahead of time. All right. Love ya. I'll talk to you in the comments. Bye. See you later. Just so you know, there's the gravy. I'm going to put it in a jar and stick it in the fridge for later use. Delicious.